my name?
No.
It's Crystal.
He doesn't talk.
Ow! Ow, that hurts. Oh my god, that hurts. Oh my god, it hurts. I thought you were being for Halloween.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Please give me...
What?
Like...
Just gonna have to put it on because I wear glasses.
Like...
What?
Are you serious?
Even more hair. No. No.
You can't bite me. No, you can't.
See.
Ew, don't bite me, that's nasty.
I can see out of it.
Where did Cody go?